Carne Asada, when translated, means grilled meat and is a popular Mexican street food. A delicious, juicy, marinated steak is grilled to perfection with a few simple ingredients. The speciality of this dish is the charred flavour and, of course, the marinade itself. You can serve it by itself or make some tacos. Either way, the steak is tender and delicious. Open up a Ziploc bag. Pour in 500 milliliters of orange juice, 50 grams of garlic, 100 milliliters of lime juice, 1 tablespoon of pepper, 2 teaspoons of salt, 100 grams of jalapenos, 40 grams of coriander, and 60 milliliters of olive oil. Zip up the bag and mix everything really well. Then put 200 grams of beef steak inside. Zip up the bag, mix together, and let it rest for 6 hours. Butter a hot grill pan and cook the steak. Only turn the steak once during cooking for the best result. Then thinly slice the beef and serve up with flour tortillas. There you go, a very special snack. Beef al molho, also known as steak with sauce, is a classic Brazilian dish. The meat is stewed to perfection in a delicious sauce made with tomatoes and a variety of easy-to-find ingredients. It's easy to prepare and is a perfect one-pot recipe. Combine 500 grams of beef, 50 grams of garlic, and 1 teaspoon of salt by hand in a large bowl. Then leave it to sit to one side. Heat 3 tablespoons of olive oil in a pan and fry your beef well. As the beef cooks, place to the side of the pan so that you can add in a new piece. Keep repeating these steps until all of your beef is cooked. When all the beef is cooked, season with 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of cayenne pepper, 2 teaspoons of white pepper, and 2 tablespoons of oregano, and give everything a really good mix. Throw in 100 grams of onion and tomato and 200 grams of tomato sauce. Combine really well and pour over 250 milliliters of water. 20 grams of coriander. Now cover the pot and stew for half an hour. And here we are, we're ready to serve. Garnish with some more coriander. And it's time to serve up with some mashed potatoes for a delicious and hearty dinner.